Good morning, class 8. Here is answering. Now we are studying the algebraic expression. My dear students, you must have learned some introduction about algebra. Algebra is a very important branch of mathematics. So this is the foundation of algebra. You should be very careful and you listen to me and you will note down the important points. First, to understand algebra, these are the terms you should understand. First is constant. If you find the meaning of constant in your dictionary, you can understand what is the meaning of constant. Constant means in algebra a symbol, a quantity whose value is fixed. This is the meaning of constant. The value does not vary. The value of the quantity does not change. That quantities or the symbols used in algebra, they are constants. Now you see, suppose if you put 5.2, 1 by 2, these numerical values are known as constant in algebra. Variable, if you find the meaning of variable words is derived from the word vary. Vary means to change. So it is very clear what is the meaning of variable. The quantities whose value is not fixed, whose value changes, and they are generally denoted by some alphabets of English, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, like this. So these are called variables because we don't know what is the value of Y, what is the value of X, and that's why they are called variables. And the quantities whose value is constant, whose value does not change, they are called constant. Understand? Now you see algebraic expression. So you see 2x, 3ab, minus 5xyz, etc. These are called terms. So terms are the constant and variables. They are combined together, and if they are arranged, they are called algebraic expression. Suppose 2x, 3y, 4xy like this. This algebraic expression can have one variable or more variable, and terms, the combination of a constant and a variable. The constant and variables, if they are connected for the mathematical operators like plus, minus, divide, into, they are called terms. And various parts of terms, there are number of terms maybe in an algebraic expression, like terms and unlike terms. The algebraic expression which have, first you understand what is the degree of the polynomial. Suppose this is the algebraic expression 2xy squared plus 3x to the power of 4. So value of variable is 1 and value of power of the variable is 2. Here power of the variable is 4. So the maximum power of the variable of any algebraic expression is called degree of the polynomial. I would like to remind once again, suppose this is the expression 5x power 4 3x squared 2x. Now these three terms. And now you connect by positive or negative. If I ask you what is the degree of this polynomial, so first you arrange in either ascending order or decreasing order of the power, exponent, index. The maximum power of the variable, what is the degree of this polynomial? 4. Why? Because the maximum power of the variable in this expression is 4. So this is the degree of the polynomial. To like terms, unlike terms, the numerical coefficient you understand, the constant term, they are put before the variable, they are called numerical coefficients. If no number is mentioned, it is understood 1 is the coefficient, 1, 2, minus 4, like this, any number may be numerical coefficient, and these are variables. Like terms are those terms which have same variable and same power of the variable. Now you see, suppose 4x squared and this is 3x, these are not like terms because they have same variable but powers are different, exponents are different, degree is different, and therefore they are not like terms. So you can understand the terms which have the numerical coefficient may differ. It is not necessary the coefficient should be 5 or 10 or like this. But one thing important is the variable should be same and power of the variable should be same. If the expression has same variable, same degree, this means they are like terms, otherwise unlike terms. Numerical coefficient I have just explained, the constant term, the number or the constant term which are put before the variable, they are called numerical coefficient. Now these four, monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. Monomial means the algebraic expression which have only one term. The monomial means the algebraic expression which have only one term. They are monomial. Suppose here 3x and this is 25 y squared. How many terms? Only one term. So this is mono. Mono means single. If you find the meaning of this mono, you can understand what is the meaning of monomial. The algebraic expression having only one term, that is monomial. Binomial, bio you know, number of terms 2. If number of terms 2, they are called binomial. And tri you understand by 3, number of terms 3, they will be trinomial like this, quadrinomial. And if you have many terms, more than 2 or 3, so they are in general, they are called polynomial. Or you can say multinomial. So these are the terms which are useful to understand the algebra, and you will take the help from these terms, definitions, and then you will find the sum, subtraction, division and product of algebraic expression. Now you see, I would like to give you explanation and the addition. X, suppose these are minus 5x squared y and this is 2x squared y. Now find the sum. How will you do? You put the symbol of y and now these two terms are like terms. So you take the coefficient, numerical coefficient in the bracket and you simplify either adding or subtracting and you put the variables given in the question. So this will be minus 3x squared y. And similarly, subtraction will be the same. Only difference in the operation. This is sum and that will be the difference. But the method is you collect the algebraic terms having the same number of, you collect all the terms having the like terms and now put together the sum or difference of the constant term or numerical coefficient you can say. And if you find the sum of these numerical coefficient and that coefficient and you put the variables together, that will be the sum. And similarly, suppose we have to subtract, now you see the subtraction. So no change in the process, only process change is subtraction. You have to subtract and there is the addition. Now subtract 2x squared from minus 3x squared. Now you have to subtract from this from this. So you write minus 3x squared and this will be here a minus for the subtraction and this 2x squared. Minus 3x squared minus 2x squared. Now they are like terms. You put the variables like terms outside the bracket and the constant term minus 3 minus 2 and this will be minus 5x squared. So this is the monomial. Similarly, the terms, number of terms may be different, may be binomial, trinomial and multinomial. So this is the basic operation in the addition and subtraction of. So I would like to summarize what I have explained. Number one, constraint. The quantity is a symbol used in algebra whose value is fixed. That is called constant. Many constants we use in algebra. The variables, the quantity whose value his value can vary, change. That is meaning of variables. Generally in algebra we use English alphabet A, B, C or X, Y, Z to represent the variables. And terms, the constant term and the variable, if they are combined together, if they are connected, so they are called terms. And many terms can form algebraic expression. And numerical coefficient, the numerical coefficient is the constant term of the expression, that is called numerical coefficient. And addition or subtraction I would like to explain. If you have to add many algebraic expressions, you collect the like terms together and so this is only one method. Another method is suppose 3x squared plus y cube. Subtract or add suppose add this and minus 2x squared minus 4y cube. So this is another method. This is called column method. 3x squared plus y cube and this is minus 2x squared minus 4y cube. This is a second method to add or subtract. You put in the form of columns. You put all the algebraic terms having the like terms together and you simplify the coefficients. Either they are positive sign or negative, plus minus minus. This is coefficient is 1, here is minus 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3 and this will be y cube. And this is plus 3 here, plus minus minus, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 is not mentioned, you will write only the variables. 1 is understood, 1 is not mentioned in the algebraic expression, but you should understood the coefficient is 1. So this is column method and this is direct method, either addition or subtraction. So my dear students, today we have started algebra, very important part of mathematics. So algebraic expression, these are the terms, constant term, variable terms, and like terms and unlike terms, numerical coefficient, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and a few examples I have given. How will you find the sum of two or more algebraic expression, and how will you find the difference between the given algebraic expression? So that's all for today, and you will try to solve, and if you have any doubts, you can contact me. I will surely try to solve your doubts. Thank you and have a nice day.